Stihl 15 I just finished up. This one was kind of a challenge. Put it all back together and it never really ran properly. Ended up having to find a replacement carburetor for it, which was a little bit of a challenge since you can't get an aftermarket carburetor for it anymore. And people on eBay were wanting an arm and a leg for one. Decent used one. But a week or two ago, I finally came across a really good deal on a used carb. So, bought it, rebuilt it, and I also replaced the check valve and nozzle kit in it. And it runs really well now. Still think I'm a little bit rich on the high side. However, I prefer to run them a little bit rich rather than burn them up. Still need to get a new chain for it and replace a plug wire, but runs well enough for now, and it's in really nice condition. It's got a 16-inch Windsor sprocket nose bar on it. Nothing wrong with the bar, so not going to replace it. Actually running 3/8 Pico. I do know that most of these 015s came with quarter pitch on them, but like I said, running 3/8 Pico on it, or 3/8 low profile. But I guess that's about it. See ya.